Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 9. How are you all? I hope you are fine. Welcome to the English class. Today we are going to discuss the poem Daffodils written by William Wordsworth. One thing, remember that the title of the poem is Daffodils, but when the poet wrote this poem, Daffodils was not the title of the poem. Then it was the title I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud. The first line of the poem was the title, but later changed the title to Daffodils. The reason was that the first line of the poem, I wandered lonely as a cloud, shows sadness, but where do you talk about flowers and about daffodils? So there is joy and hope on its own. So later it was renamed the title Daffodils. Another thing is how this poem is this poem is ballad, sonnet or lyric? This poem is a lyric. Now let's move the stanza number 1. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over vales and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils beside the lake, beneath the tree, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Now let's look at rhyme scheme first. In the first line, cloud A, hills B, then cloud, crowd again A, hills, daffodils again B, tree, can't find anyone, cloud, hills, crowd, so it is C. Breeze again C, it is A, B, A, B, C, C, so it is couplet. So let's move the first line of the stanza. I wandered lonely as a cloud. Here, as is a simile. First figure of speech here is used as simile. I wandered lonely as a cloud. Here poet said that he was moving lonely like a cloud. But one thing is that cloud is never alone. Cloud come together a lot. When the cloud was moving alone, it means it was personification. Let's see the third line. Second line, that floats on high over vales and hills. Here high and hills, ha means here is alliteration. A host of golden daffodils. We know that the color of daffodils is yellow, but here is the poet also exaggerating this color, means golden daffodils. Golden daffodils, poet here exaggerate this color. We all know that the color of daffodils is yellow. When all at once I saw crowd, a host of golden daffodils. Now look at the word crowd. Word crowd here is used for humans, so it is also personification. You know what is personification? Personification is giving human characteristics and qualities, feelings to the non-living objects. Crowd is a human characteristics, so it is a personification. Beside the lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Here poet said that he saw a large number of golden daffodils growing along the bank of lake under the trees. The flowers were moving and dancing in the breeze. Fluttering here means moving. The flowers were moving and dancing in the breeze. Thank you class. Allah Hafiz.